Hey, we are in South Dakota here looking at some of the cool things I'm going to be fishing with in 2020. That brought me to the Crystaleyes booth, and this is the Phenomenon Crankbait that they have here. And what is really cool about this is check out the eyes on this. We want to have something that looks lifelike when we're out there fishing and trolling and what have you. This is going to be something that will definitely catch the attention as it's zipping through the water. These will dive to about a 4 to 7 foot depth. So depending upon line and distance and all these different variables, they will get down there in that strike zone for most of the fish as you're trolling around those weed bed edges. Again, these are the Phenomenon Crankbaits in a variety of different colors. You can go out to crystalleyesfishing.com. That's eyes with an S. You can go out there, check out the full line of all of their different products that feature that unusual kind of spooky looking eye for fishing.